Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we start the video, let me know in the comment box if you also felt that this year, that is 2021, just flew away. I mean, like in a blink of an eye, because I definitely felt so. But anyways, now that 2022 is approaching, I think it's important for us to talk about the jobs that will be in demand in the year 2022. So my name is Nishant and now let's get started. The list of jobs that will be in high demand in 2022 is likely to follow the same trend that we have seen in the year 2020 and 2021, which means that we will see an increase in demand for the healthcare professionals, IT professionals, or even services that support all of us staying at home. And as many Canadians still continue to work from home, there is an increase in available work that can be done remotely. So if you want to know specifically about remote jobs, then you can watch this video as well. Link is in the description box and on the screen as well. But anyways, now let's talk about the jobs that will be in high demand in 2022 in no particular order. As we know, there is a heavy reliance on the healthcare system these days, and in any healthcare system, nurses are key members to, say, testing, vaccinating people, or coordinating with people. And we have all witnessed that while we were going to get ourselves vaccinated, right? So obviously, there is a particularly high demand for registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, or even nurse practitioners, etc. And the trend will continue in 2022 as well. And the salary range for a registered nurse is between $25 to even $50 per hour depending on your experience. Network administrators specialize in keeping the company's computer networks running, and the IT help desk people, they definitely help us a lot in finding solutions to our numerous tech issues that we generally face while we are working from home. And as more and more companies and more businesses are going remote, the tech support staff is definitely in high demand these days. And as a recruiter, I can definitely vouch for it, because I mean, these days we are constantly hiring for tech support and IT help desk specialists for our clients, like constantly these days. And the salary range, if I talk about for the network administrator, it could start from $20 per hour to say $50 per hour as well. And an IT help desk specialist can start anywhere from $17 to $18 per hour. So this pandemic has really made us think and reconsider our finances. People have now started investing more and more in shares, mutual funds, or ETFs, etc. And people are actually trying to diversify their income. So that is why the financial advisors or financial planners, they are in high demand these days. And the salary range for financial advisors could range between $25 to even $60 per hour, depending on your experience and seniority level. Also, because now that we are talking about the financial industry, and as of now, I particularly hire for the banking industry. So I have seen that these days there is an increase in demand for the back office operations role in banking industry as well. So such as operations officers, transaction processing officers, mortgage processing officers, etc. So if you are in Canada right now and you are looking to get a foot in the door into the banking industry, then you can send me your resumes to this email ID, and if I have any suitable opportunity, then I will give you a call. But please remember, send me your resumes only and only if you are in Canada right now, because the jobs that I hire for, they are not open for foreign workers. They are open only for Canadian residents. All of us do online shopping, right? And after this pandemic, there has been a further increase in the online and over the phone shopping, because a lot of companies have closed down their physical stores or reduced them, or have simply moved to a fully virtual operations. But that comes with its own challenges, especially when as a customer you are trying to say cancel your subscription or return a product to get the refund or exchange a product and whatnot. And to execute all of this smoothly, companies need customer service representatives. Hence, they will be likely in high demand in the year 2022. And the salary ranges could be between $15 to even $25 per hour, again depending on the experience. And not only in the retail sector. In fact, you have a lot of call center and customer service positions in the banking industry as well. And a good thing is that now a lot of call center positions have gone remote, so you can work from home as well. Along with other essential retail associates or supply chain associates, even the warehouse workers are in high demand. I mean, every day I see hundreds and hundreds of openings for order pickers, packers, shippers, receivers, and various other warehouse associates. And the salaries for generally the warehouse associates start anywhere from $15 to $16 per hour, and these positions are generally part-time as well and full-time as well. So even the international students who are looking for part-time opportunities along with their courses, then these positions could be a good and an easy option to grab. There is an ongoing shortage for the accountants, and here I'm not just talking about the accountants but also the accounts payable and accounts receivable specialists. So regardless of pre-pandemic or post-pandemic, they were and they will still remain in high demand in the year 2022. And the salary range of an accountant could be anywhere between $25 to even $60 per hour, again depending on the experience and the level of job. Some of the duties of the administrative assistants include answering phone calls or scheduling appointments and meetings, creating reports, maintaining databases, or sending and receiving correspondence, etc. And if you notice, generally all of these duties can be performed remotely. Hence, the administrative assistants will remain in demand in the year 2022 because of its remote nature. And the salary, generally the average salaries of an administrative assistant is anywhere between $20 to $25 per hour. But if you are working for a pretty big global organization and you are assisting like leadership roles like general managers, directors, vice presidents, etc., then you may earn a lot more than this. Oh my god, I can't even tell you how many openings are there for recruiters as of now. The job market is recovering, and hence a lot of companies are hiring for various positions. For example, the positions that we are discussing in today's video, right? So to hire all these people, companies need recruiters, and hence recruiters are in high demand right now. And not only this, if you know that the entire world is going through a phase right now which is termed as the Great Resignation. So if you don't know, please Google it right now. And because of that, the job market has become a candidates market, and that is why it is becoming increasingly difficult for the companies to get hold of good talent, and hence they need recruiters who can hire the right people at the right time. And that is why recruiters are in high demand right now and will remain so in the year 2022 as well. And generally the average salaries of a recruiter in Canada is between $25 to $30 per hour, but depending on the experience and seniority level, the salaries can go up to $50 per hour as well. I don't think I need to give any explanation here. We have all witnessed an increasing demand in the IT sector all over the world, and Canada is no different. And because of the ever increasing demand for new softwares and new technologies, there is also a steady demand for software developers and even IT consultants as well. And the average salary of a software developer in Canada is generally between $35 to $40 per hour, but depending on experience, it can go up to $55 or $60 per hour as well. Project managers are required in many industries, be it construction, IT, oil and gas, or in fact any other industry where you have to oversee the completion of a project, right? And the role of a project manager is in fact very essential to the success of many of such businesses, right? And hence they are always in demand and will stay in demand in the year 2022 as well. And the average salaries of a project manager in Canada is somewhere around $40 to $45 per hour, but depending on experience, it can go up to $70 per hour as well. A human resource manager is a key member of any HR team. They act as a liaison between the management and the employees. Hence, the role is very critical, and even more so these days when more than half of the workforce is working remotely. So companies need to come up with very productive people policies and strategies to manage the remote workforce efficiently. Hence, HR managers are likely to remain in high demand in the year 2022. And the average salaries of an HR manager in Canada is around $40 to $45 per hour, and depending on the experience, it can go up to $70 per hour as well. Again, because almost everything has gone virtual and the use of online platforms is at its peak right now, be it communicating with your friends or family on Zoom, FaceTime, WhatsApp, etc., or doing online shopping, working remotely, or doing your basic banking transactions. So we all need to keep ourselves safe from any cyber attacks. And that's where these cybersecurity professionals come in, and hence they are likely to remain in high demand in 2022, and in fact I would say for probably for over the next decade as well. And the average salary of a cybersecurity professional in Canada is somewhere around $40 per hour. So these were some of the high demand jobs in Canada for the year 2022, which I could curate based on my experience as a recruiter and also using data from various trusted sources like Indeed.ca, which is the largest job portal in Canada, and also jobbank.gc.ca, which is Canada's official website for the job market research. And trust me guys, jobbank.gc.ca is an amazing website, an amazing job search tool which a lot of people either don't know about or they don't make full use of it. On this website you can actually check the scope of your field in Canada. You can check average salaries for any job in Canada. You can check what all courses you may want to do and from what all colleges, and much more. And in fact I have covered all of that in this video, so if you haven't watched it already, please give it a watch. You will be amazed, trust me. And as you know, my intent has always been to provide some good value, so I hope you found this video helpful and valuable. If so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more such content on jobs in Canada, Canada immigration, life in Canada, and much more. I'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.